Write a Python program, find the largest among three numbers. Let's write the code. Num1, we take input values, input, enter number 1, number 2, input num2, we take all three numbers from the user. Then we write our if condition, number 1 greater than number 2 and number 1 greater than number 3. Then write print statement, number 1 is the largest number. We use elif condition, number 2 is greater than number 1 and number 2 is greater than number 3. Write print statement, pass the value of number 2 and print message is the largest number. Then we write else condition, we did not pass any value, we directly print the statement. Number 3 let's run the program. We write our first number 100, write number 2 value 100, then 300. 300 is the largest number. We run one more time. 100, number 2 is 160 and number 3 is 40. 160 is the largest number.